How to resize clips in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive and load your project with the clips you want to resize. Next, select the clip on the timeline that you want to resize by clicking on it. Then, go to the Effects panel. Search for the Transform effect. This effect allows you to resize, rotate, and reposition your clip easily. After applying the Transform effect, look for the scale controls in the effect settings. You can increase or decrease the scale percentage to make your clip larger or smaller. You can also drag the clip preview window handles directly in the monitor to resize the clip visually. This helps you adjust it exactly how you want on the screen. If you want to maintain the clip's aspect ratio, make sure the lock aspect ratio option is enabled while scaling. Once you are happy with the resize, play your timeline to check how the resized clip looks in your video. And that's it. Now you know how to resize clips in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.